it on God. People on YouTube think I'm fried. I be like, what the fuck you want? Nah, I'm kidding. What's going on, guys? I gotta pause that so we don't get copyright strike. Say what's up to Jax. I thought I'd do one of these videos wearing the same shirt from the pledge class video 5 days ago. You know, staying fresh, staying cheap. You know what I'm saying? Got a silver bar right there. Guys, it's actually going down. Actually, I should talk about this. I am going to talk about something with the market going up, and if this is the time, so I wanted to make a video like this, man. We got people, I don't want to put them on blast, but they get passed out. You can't even see, I got to edit that. Passed out, man. Jax, don't fuck with it, man. See, I already got people in here coming to do phone calls, man. Phone calls, emails. So if you want to move out here, man, give me that application. But let's talk about something. Is this bounce over? So let me see how I could set this up where you guys could see. I might just switch to the computer. I think we'll just do that. So if anything, you guys subscribe. If you're new, do that. Free stock trading course. Don't let the weird jacket fool you. Go through the YouTube videos. There's a lot of good information. We have a secondary cult if you're interested. I think that's where this jacket giving me that culty vibes. But yeah, I love you guys. I hope you guys are gonna have a good weekend. Get ready. Monday's gonna be interesting. So yeah, we'll go to the computer so you guys could learn more and go on this. Yes, yeah. All right, guys. So I shot the video and I'm editing it right now. And the sound is really bad for the first, I don't know, 4 of 6 minutes. So you're gonna have to bear with me on it. I really apologize. If it's that bad, let me know. But I think it's still bearable. I don't know. I could just record it here, but it's already done, so I don't know. Let me know for future reference. But apologies anyways. Hi people. Hi. So we're on the computer and I'm going to talk, is this where this, where the stock market bounces, or can the stock market, is this, what makes this a good reason? And now I'm going to bring up one person so you guys can see his take on it. I think this guy's very, very interesting. And well, he brings up the same reasons. And this guy, he's been kind of on par, even with what I've been saying. I've heard about him. If you even Google his name, I have it here, and just go through what comes up. Kolanovich, I believe. Kolanovich. And I've known about him since after he was on par with me in August, calling the first China slowdown. And from there, he even called the dips. He's got a name for himself since 2015. He's kind of like a human algo. He's a pretty smart guy. And he's been giving out warnings, but it's interesting all through this last 4 weeks since like October 9th, October 12th, 18th, or October 12th, 19th, and the 30th, he said that the market's going to bounce, and it really hasn't. And he just came out with this thing, and he just said again he thinks it's going to go up today. So I want to talk about that because I kind of got the hints. I've been kind of fumbling back and forth. You guys have seen it start. I believe there was going to be this bounce here. And as oil and other things got worse, and as the Brexit situation emerged, it quickly turned bearish. But now, what is the next questions? And this is what Kolanovich says, and these are something I would give some weight to as far as how convicted the market is going to be. This is what I'm going to be looking at. And this is what somebody asked me. Somebody commented on the last video saying, how do I know when the stock market is going to move? Like, how do I find news like this? Well, it's understanding these. This over history, even since like 2009, any like federal moves or like central banking moves and how that is affected with the markets, it's big. And that's kind of what we're having here. The Federal Reserve is taping off purchases, but now too we have this, and this is what he thinks, and this is what the factors I'm looking at. It's going to be China and rates. So what he says and what he's saying, and what a lot of the market, again, when I'm saying what he says and what the market is also interpreting this as well. So you guys may have heard this in other places. So just understand it in that sense. But it's going to be the Fed, and they think that the Fed is moving too fast, and the Fed raising rates is hurting both emerging markets and the United States, and that's what's causing partly the stocks to go down, and investors are pricing that in and worried about that. So today also, Vice Chairman Richard Clarida from the Federal Reserve, he said that the Fed may actually stop at the neutral rate.
and people were worried that the Fed was going to go past that neutral rate. So this is kind of good news. This brings up something where if this does ease, that could bring a rally to the market. So there's that now mixed in with the trade wars in China. And then Trump said some shit today, which was good. And I say some shit because he did say some stuff, how it could have been interpreted is interesting. But he's pretty much saying if these two things could get worked out, some sort of China trade deal or a version of a trade war plus the Fed stopping at this neutral rate and not continuing to advance rates, he says this could lead to a good result for the stock market, and this could lead to a bounce even to new highs. So, and that's I was on that tip again. I was thinking even from end of October, I thought it would bounce after the August 18th. Honestly, I was able to make money on the downside, but still, it was nuts kind of what happened and what we went through with October, and that is something scary too. Actually, I think I'll show you guys this here. Maybe I'll make it in another video. My boy Ryan, he tagged that in the video, just like some of the data that's been coming out. This was probably the worst, I think 8 months. Hello? I cut out. But I was saying this is probably like the worst 8 month period or month period since 2008. This has been a consistent sell off. That is what a lot of people, but also too, Kulanovich says that a lot of the technical selling and all that is, it's not going to get in the way. He thinks that it's, there's no more real technical selling past this point. So it is going to be, foreign investors and other people, but it seems like that might dissipate. But at the same time, you can't really say that what's happened in the last month was a grain of salt. Like I said, I've said this in all the videos. I'm really hyped on it. You guys see why I'm hyped with this Colt and everything. This is a great opportunity in the stock market. It's a great opportunity for a lot of people to learn and make money. And this is a time really like no other. So I'm going to leave it at that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Go to the link below, join the cult, pledge the fraternity. Let me get your application. If not, you can still watch the YouTube videos. Drop me a comment and let me know what you want me to talk about. Like I said, I don't know. You guys saying spam the videos? I'm not sure. I'm going to stop ranting. I love you. Good luck. Have a safe weekend. Stay in school.